Hi everyone, it's Jack here at Mainsgill. So first of all, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching the YouTube. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tell everyone about it, ring the little bell, you know the full works. So what we're on with today is, as you can see, the big boys are here. So what we're doing is, we weren't going to get around to it with our digger, it's time's getting away on us. So what we're doing is Keaton's have come in, so they've got the big digger here, they've got one of their drivers on the dumper there, and then Matthew's on the other dumper. And what they're doing, well, Matthew and Ian, they're switching. And what they're doing is they are digging out for the new site. So I'll flick you around. Here comes Ian. Not safe with a push bike, but we give him this anyway. You notice he got the older one of the two. Don't crash, Ian. Not into my new shed. So he's backing up now. I'm going to fill him up, so just taking the topsoil still at the minute. So I get a little topsoil off, just tidy that up, put it over there ready for on top where we're going to fill up with the clay, and then the topsoil will go over the top afterwards. So just digging all the topsoil off, get that to one side. So that's all we're doing at the minute, and then once we've done that, we'll get the level. You'll see they fetched it out here. We'll get the level and they'll start dropping the clay. Feel good? So here we are, so they're digging out now, and they're making a mess, they're fairly getting into it. So this is going to be the silage clamp here that they're digging off now. So they've got a big 37 ton digger going, and it's soon shifting some soil. So they're going round now, they're digging this off here. So what they're doing is though, they're taking the topsoil off. So rather than when you're digging down, you want to take your topsoil off, and then you want to take your clay. So you don't want to mix them up, because your topsoil is your better soil, your good stuff, nice fine soil, and it wants looking after and keeping to one side. So they're loading this up now, they're taking it over there. Oh, if we look, we can actually see in the distance. Ian's on it at the minute, Ian's just tipping off. So what they're doing is they're tipping off the topsoil, making a big pile of it, and then we'll get on with digging the clay. Once they've got the topsoil out of the way, they'll put all the clay into the hole where I showed you where them pipes are. That's all going to go in there. And then once they've done that, the topsoil will be finished with, it'll get pushed over the top, all levelled up with the bulldozer that's going over there, and it'll sort it all out. So it's looking good. Hopefully going to get the drone up. Might not be today, it might be tomorrow when they're a bit further on. It's fairly windy today. We'll get the drone up, show you what's actually going on. And it's looking good. There goes the big dozer, big dumper. We're starting stripping some more topsoil off. Good. how they're getting on. So I've just been talking to Ian there. So I've just been seeing Brandy's come with me, the latest addition to Mainsgill. So this is the new pup. How are you doing? So Claire's always fancied one, so we have got ourselves a St. Bernard. So it's going to get big. So that's Brandy. So anyway, we've come to have a look, and they're doing a good job of destroying the place. So they're getting there now. So you can see here, they've got it levelled up in the bottom of here, across to there. And that is about now where the silage clamp will be. So they've got about levelled up across to where the silage clamp will be. And then they're going across now here to get where the other canister is going to be. So you can see they're getting quite a depth now where they're digging down. So if you come across here, you can see we're starting to get a fair banking around the outside now. So it'll be a fair depth by the time we get to the edge. It's coming together well. They're doing a good job in bottom of there, it's looking well. They started fetching some stone in, they've only fetched a bit though, so it'll all be stone up, ready for concreting on top. So it's going well, keep you updated. It's a bit windy again today, it's been windy every day, but we are hoping to get the drone up to show you what it really looks like. We'll see what happens. Good. Come on, Randy. Come on, pup. Okay. It's going to be your new play barn, isn't it, dog? Ian tipping another one off. There we go. We just had a part load on then. I was talking to him the other day and he said you can get 30 tonne in the back of them. See the hole's filling in. Tip on the dozer. It's looking well, getting levelled up. So I'm here now, so I thought I'd better show you how far we've got on with it. So this is going to be the end of the video. So obviously we've not got it all done because it weren't going to happen straight away. But it's just a quick look showing you how it's all doing. So here we are. So if we flick you around, you can see that we've got it fairly levelled up now. So it's not too bad. It was level. We've ended up rooting it up a bit here again, just on this bit because we've been tipping. So these piles here, these are still to level out, so they're still the clay, the muck we call it. They're all to level out. There's a bit over there of the same stuff, clay. And then the big bund all the way around there is topsoil. And there's a load of topsoil here and here. That's all the topsoil. So the topsoil is your real fine soil which goes over the topsoil, and that's what covers the top, and then that is what stuff can grow in, because now it'll grow in this clay. You'll get a bit of weed, bit of grass, but now it'll flash. So we put the topsoil back over. You can still see it has some of the sod in, so that's what the grass that's been pulled up. We'll level that back over. Once we get it all level all the way through here now, what we'll do is we'll get all the topsoil on, then we'll come in, we'll go through with the parara, level it all down nicely, give it a nice fine seed bed, and then we'll get some grass seed on top, and it'll just grow and it'll be away. So it doesn't take long for grass seed to get a hold. It'll grow, and hopefully we'll be able to have it all nice and tidy. So it's spring now, but it's still a bit wet yet, so a few more weeks it should come right. We'll get some grass seed on and it should start to bounce, so it should be good. So it's coming on well over there. So I've got also to show you over there. So while this has been going on, obviously they've been digging all that out over there. You can see that in this video, fetching it all over here to level all this holler up here. But while they've been doing that, they've been putting all the stone in over there this week. So I'll show you all that, and also the bolt boxes are going in for the other shed, so I'll show you that as well. So there's plenty going on. I hope you're enjoying. So we're just busy lambing at the minute, so that's why it's just been a bit, my videos haven't been on top of it as much, because we've been busy lambing. But we'll try and crack on with these videos, try and do some more for you. You seem to like them, so we'll see what we can do. So if you do like them, make sure you tell everyone about it. Tell them to hit that subscribe button. I know I haven't having as many, but I will get on with it a bit better again, and we'll see how many people we can get following. So that's grand. We'll see you later, and I'll crack on. Thank you. Bye bye.